An attempt to guarantee the right for people to obtain and use contraceptives was blocked by Republicans in the U.S. Senate. Beforehand, Republican North Carolina Senator Ted Budd was part of a hearing on reproductive health care.
Dr. Francis, can you tell us about abortion reversal pills and why it's important for states to make sure that pregnant women have access to information about these pills, particularly those women who are considering abortion?
The Right to Contraception Act failed 51-39. When the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, Justice Clarence Thomas wrote that he wants to revisit the 1965 ruling that guarantees the right to access to contraception. Now, I caught up with Democratic North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper today, who told me he hopes that the state legislature will pass protections for contraception, especially when you consider the overturning of Roe v. Wade and what has followed since then.
We've seen Republican leaders across the country use that decision not only to take away women's reproductive freedom, but to attack fertility treatments and to begin attacks on people's right to contraception. So what the U.S. Senate tried to do yesterday was put in federal protections for contraception. Democrats here in the North Carolina legislature have tried to introduce legislation to put protections for contraception. Yes, I'm concerned, particularly after these elections, that the Republican leadership here in North Carolina, who've promised to do more to take away women's reproductive freedom, could also attack people's right to contraception. So I think it's time for people to step up and remember that when they go to the ballot box in November, remember the candidates who are working to protect their personal rights and freedoms.
A spokesperson for State Senate Pro Tem Phil Berger responded saying this is just more fear-mongering from Governor Cooper. No bills have been filed to restrict access to contraceptives in North Carolina. In fact, Senate Bill 20 included funds for nonprofit community health centers to increase access to contraceptives.